Hello. In this movie, I'm going to demonstrate a prototype of a conversational agent written in Mathematica. And so what happened here, we just loaded some script, run some script from a GitHub repository, and we got this dynamic interface, which has functionalities provided by this conversational agent. The conversational agent is described in more detail in this project, phone dialing dialogues conversational agent in this repository here at GitHub. I'm not going to go into the details explained here, but what is happening in the presentation that follows is using different natural language commands. We're switching between the states given in this finite state machine diagram. All right, let's go back to the dynamic interface in Mathematica. So we start with something very simple, something like, say, call live. And live is a unique name in my address book. My address book is based on metadata from several movies. Call actor. And you can see that I have the movies Pirates of the Caribbean, Lord of the Rings, and X-Men. And so obviously the data is completely fake. If I have a request or a context query which does not produce a unique name, produces a list of names like here, then I need to further filter or narrow down my selection. So from this list of factors, I can say from a particular movie, and then here I can say, for example, the third one. Now this command, the third one, corresponds to touching the screen. If we have a touch screen, to touching the screen and selecting manually with our finger the third contact. But in this agent, all interaction with the outside world is done through natural language commands. So let's do another example, like say call someone from say X-Men, and we get actors, directors, producers from the movie X-Men. So I can say a producer or just producer, and I'm getting just the producers, and then I basically I can, instead of saying the third one, the fourth one, I can just say the name Stan, and I'm getting a unique name, and the person with that unique name is being called. So basically this is it. This is the basic functionality. This button here, dial, corresponds to a scenario in which say we're driving to work, and shortly after arriving at work we're going to have a meeting. So it might be a good idea when we press the dial button to get the people in that meeting to be on top in our list. And so this here emulates that. The implementation, although I pressed a button in this dynamic interface, the agent itself reacts to this command, priority order. At any time I can say cancel, and this means that we are starting over, and then I can produce some other query, like probably something like put Anna on the phone. Let's see, is going to work. Okay, so yeah, we get Anna Paquin again, unique name. All right, this is it. Thank you.